Hey guys, please continue watching to see how I did this fabulous hair color as well as my wash and go. I started off by detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb and sectioning it into 4 parts. I'll be using Adore 117 Aquamarine as well as VO5 Tea Therapy hair conditioner. I used about a quarter of the hair dye that was in the bottle as well as about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hair conditioner. This is to kind of stretch the dye so it will be easier to apply. I started off applying the dye to each section of my hair using a wide tooth comb, combing it through, trying to get all the parts covered. Eventually, I started using my hands because it was much easier and faster to do. After applying the dye to each section, then I'm just wrapping it back into a bun. While applying the dye to my hair, this is basically what the color started to look like in my hair. On the bottle of the dye, it says to process with heat up to 15 minutes, but I didn't want to use heat. So I just covered it and left it for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then I washed it out. This is what the color looks like after washing it out. So now I've sectioned my hair into 2 parts, and now I'm just detangling my hair with my wide tooth comb, then twisting each side after detangling. The first product I'll be using my hair is raw Shea Butter. So as I'm applying the Shea Butter to my hair, I'm making sure to pay extra attention to the ends of my hair to make sure that they are moisturized. And you will see me doing this with the other products that I'll be putting into my hair. The next product I'll be using is Coconut Shea All Natural Pudding Souffle by BodyWorks. As you can see, I'm using my fingers to just comb through my hair, making sure that it is properly moisturized. Finally, I'll be using this EcoStyler Gel. Here you can see me scrunching the ends of my hair. This encourages curl formation for the ends of my hair. After applying all the products, I'm just detangling my hair once more with the wide tooth comb This basically locks my curls together. And now I'm just spraying some more water onto my hair and detangling it with my fingers. Now I'm going to just leave my hair to air dry for a few minutes. This is what the end results look like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like the results. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.